Hey y'all, it's Cami J Official. Welcome to my video. It's Cami J Official, so let's start the show. To all my subscribers, y'all are the true MVPs. Listen guys, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for supporting my content. To anybody that is new to my channel, welcome. I do natural hair, makeup, and lifestyle videos. And if you happen to be returning again after watching another one of my videos, I hope that you would truly consider subscribing to my channel, but let's get to the video. Alright y'all, so in today's video, I'm excited to bring you guys a review and demo on a drugstore concealer. A lot of you were saying that you want to see me do a lot more drugstore looks, so I'm definitely here to bring you that. So today, I'm going to be doing a review and demo on the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Radiant Cream Concealer with peptides and antioxidants. So I picked this up at my local Walgreens. The retail price for this is $12.99, so that's a very good price point for a concealer, period. Compare that to other high-end concealers like the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer only gives you 0.22 fluid ounces and it's $30. $30 for a concealer that is smaller than this. Contrary to popular belief, you do not have to spend a whole bunch of money on products to be able to get a good makeup look. If you are here for the affordable makeup products, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So I got this in the shade Golden Medium Deep. This was literally the darkest color that they had, and this is pretty bright to me. This is pretty bright. So just a warning, I'm just gonna give you a warning. This is the disclaimer right here. If I put this on and it looks crazy, just know that I did my best and I tried my best. Okay, I did my best because this is the darkest color that they had and I have not tried it on. I don't know how the undertone is gonna look. I don't know if I'm gonna be out here, you know, once again looking like Ashy Larry. Like, I don't know, but we're gonna try this together. So just go easy on me in the comments if you see that this doesn't turn out looking right with the products that I use. And y'all, I know that I look crazy right now. All I have on my face is a little bit of my foundation, and then I color corrected under my eyes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take this and bring this in under the eye. I'm just gonna bring that up here, bring a little bit down there. So this is the application and how it came out. The color is saying that it's golden, and to me it does look true to color. It does look very golden to me. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and a little bit of setting spray to make that damp, and we're gonna go ahead and blend this in. All right, so we're looking good here, guys. All right, so I'm just going to keep blending this in. And I'm just going to continue to blend it up and outwards on my face. This is one portion done, guys. So off the break, I can tell you that this, to me, when I look at it in the mirror, it looks really good, guys. This looks really, really nice. Like, the coverage is definitely there. I think that this is a medium coverage concealer. So if you are a person that is looking for, you know, medium coverage, you can try to do that. I do believe that you can build this up even more if you put another layer on there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'm going to highlight the center of my face, nose, chin, you know, all that good stuff. All right, so we're just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna take it in this type of shape right here. I just use one dip. One dip was definitely enough here. Like, a lot of product does come out in a good way, meaning that you don't have to keep on, you know, going in continuously in order to get the product out. Put a little bit on the chin, then the center of my face. I'm just gonna do like that right there. Down the bridge of the nose, right here. my nose right here to kind of pull that together, you know, just to give us a little highlight right there and blend it in. I'm going to take my trusty beauty blender and my spray again, just making sure that it's damp, and I'm going to blend this in. So this is it so far, guys. So let me know what you think about this drugstore concealer. I definitely think it looks really good as I'm looking at it even more in the mirror and kind of just seeing how much it's melting into my skin and really blending into my skin. It's a really nice concealer. It is a really nice concealer. So now for the final step, I am gonna go ahead and set it with my setting powder. I typically do not bake, but for the sake of this video, I do want those people who do bake to be able to see, can this drugstore concealer, you know, really handle it? So I am going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the color Honey. So this is how much I'm going to be using. All right, y'all, so the setting powder is in and in place, and what I'm going to do off camera is I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup and then be right back with my final thoughts on this drugstore concealer. All right, y'all, so I am back, and this is the final look using this drugstore concealer. All I did off camera was just add a bit of bronzer, add some blush, and do my lip combo. So my final overall thoughts about this Neutrogena concealer is it's definitely worth a buy. I'm gonna tell you it's worth a buy because I use a lot of high-end concealers because I have dark circles, so I'm always looking for like that holy grail concealer, if it even exists. But I'm always looking for like the next best thing when it comes to concealers, and I am really surprised and pleasantly pleased with how well this drugstore concealer was holding up or matches up to so many of the other high-end concealers that I have. You can't go wrong with the price point. It's $12.99. It has great coverage. It was able to cover the color corrector very seamlessly, very flawlessly, and it did have a good color balance for me. So those are all the pros, and that's the reason I would say definitely go ahead and purchase this concealer. The only things that I would want you to be wary of when it does come to this concealer is, one, you're not going to be able to have like a really large shade range. So if you are in a different skin tone and undertone than me, then this Golden Deep 1 concealer in this Neutrogena is probably not going to work for you. It's probably going to make you look very ashy because it just doesn't really suit, to me, a lot of deeper complexions with different undertones. Two, because there isn't a large variety of this concealer in different colors, it's going to be hard for you to find your match, and you honestly may not be able to find your match just based on your skin tone and undertone alone. When I went, I really did not see any colors that were deeper than this. Everything was like super light. So that is definitely one drawback, but that is a drawback overall when it comes to the majority of drugstore concealers and foundations. But this concealer for me is definitely a buy if it is in your shade. And leave a comment below letting me know what other drugstore makeup you want me to try, or let me know what type of drugstore makeup you like. Recommend some brands. Let us know in the comments what you like so that way we can go and check it out. But I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, guys, I hope that you would truly consider subscribing to my channel and coming back when I do new videos to vibe out with me. If you do subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that way you know whenever I post new videos. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. But as always, thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye.